What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Inside Jokes RV. This is yours truly, Joe Shelton. Hey, this episode of Inside Jokes is another DIY project. I noticed my headboard on my new to me used 2014 ACE Thor 29.2 motor coach. I saw some little like water stains on the headboard, and I did some research, but I didn't see any water anywhere else. So somehow water moisture had to been getting in from the back of it. And I went to a couple of Thor forum sites, and one person told me that there's a panel up in the cabinet that's where your lights, like your little night lights that go on for parking and all those. And sometimes water can get in through behind that, and moisture can get between that panel. And I think that's what it is. So this is what the streaks it left on the headboard. Now, if you see that, those little streaks on the headboard. Now, to some people, they ain't no big deal, but again, your head's up there, you're sleeping, you got some moisture or something, and you always don't have, you feel a little uncomfortable. So today's project is number one, finding out where that moisture is coming from. I think I fixed that problem, but I'm gonna reupholster this, take this cloth covering off and recover it, just to, spruce it up a little bit. I don't know if you can clean that off, but it's just a little piece of plywood with some fabric on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this fabric off and replace it. Went to Walmart, brought some more fabric, pleather type material I could easily wipe down in case something like that happened. And we're gonna go for there. So check it out. Me and my RV. Me and my RV. Me and my RV. Again, this is all the headboard is. You can see the thickness of it. A little piece of wood that was held in by those screws. You can see by that screw right there, some moisture was getting in there somewhere, and you can really tell by that one. And that's where the side is where I think I was getting moisture in. So definitely water was getting in behind there. And I guess, so that's a real telltale sign of that. So you see the headboard, the fabric's held on all these staples. The wood doesn't seem, it seems solid. No water damage on the wood, so I guess it's just seep through. So first step is to take all these staples out and reuse this same board. Now I'm pretty sure I can go buy this piece of board, wood, right up to cheap, but we're gonna go with reusing what was already there first. All right, so let's get these staples out. All right, it was at this point where I think I lost the footage or I didn't hit record, but I ended up deciding not to use that original headboard because the staples were sort of rusted and the fabric and the foam was sort of crummy a little bit, and I didn't want to put any new material over that old foam. So I decided just to scratch that entire headboard and start over from scratch. So I went to Lowe's and bought some plywood with the same dimensions of the original headboard. So this is where I picked up back. All right, I forgot to start the camera when I'm doing this main board, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I did on these smaller pieces so you get the idea. So now I'm just basically stapling up the back side. Look at it. It look pretty good, don't it? Got a little stretching right there to do, but it looks pretty good. Looks pretty decent. All right. Process I did for that big board. 1-inch foam. You might ask where I got that foam from. Let's see. Project foam. 1-inch. See, there's a number. I got that at Walmart. It comes in rolls, and I think it was like $20 or something for one package. So all I'm gonna do with this, all right, I got about 2 pieces of foam cut. All right, bam, 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 bam. All right. So what I got here, I got some spray adhesive. Now, I actually initially bought this. My first video, I had my travel trailer, and I was putting up some backsplash tile, and it said you might need this to. Sometimes the tile on the adhesive is not strong enough, and you might have to use some of this. So I never used it because the tile stuck and had no problem. So I just had this can sitting around for literally 2 years. So now I'm putting it in use. So all I'm basically doing with this is spraying on the wood just to keep the foam in place while I'm putting the covering on it. So shake it up good. Just a little thin coating on here. Make sure you're doing this in a ventilated area. So now I'm just gonna center the foam on here. Sort of find a little pattern design on it a little bit to where it's sort of how you want it. I can bring it this way a little bit more. Get enough on each side like that. So that shows you I got enough to cover. And basically you flip it over now. And I'm just going to pick one side and get it secured there. Now here's the part where you really work your magic. Now once you got that one side, just pulling it tight. Opposite side. So it'll take a little just eye. Because initially you're gonna pull it this way, you're gonna pull it from the top and from the bottom. So as long as you get a general initial pull from the middle. Good right there. So with that by itself, that's good. But I'm gonna go back and tighten up all these others, make it real snug. Then trim everything else off. One corner looks pretty good. Finish up this last one. And y'all, that's basically it. That's one panel, full time. Bam, complete piece. All right, so now all I gotta do is the last little side one. I'm not gonna show that video, but that gives you an idea how that's gonna go on. All right. All right, here you see everything. These will be my two side pieces, you can imagine, once I put them on the wall. And then they sort of give them, extend the width. And there you go. The original headboard was secured to the wall with screws, like some nails or screws. But I'm going to use 16-pound Velcro strips to hold that up there. Hopefully that will hold it. And I think each one of these strips is 16 pounds. So this thing is no more than 10 pounds. So that's more than enough strength to hold it up there. Plan to put at least one in each corner, maybe one in the middle, and just to secure it in, of course, maybe two on each of these, just to keep them secured to the wall. All right, that's it for the project. Leave me some comments or something that you would have done differently. Say, hey, you like it? This is your chance to like and subscribe to the channel. There's the space from the old headboard. We gonna try to use to get this even up here. Let's see what we got. All right, I'm sorry I don't have my tripod, but you see, I got the, well, it might be a little high, I'll fix that. But I'm just taking this Velcro right here. I'm sticking them on the back. One right there. Peel off the tape on that. And that's the process. You just peel off the sticky clear, stick it down, put it down, and there you go.